Antenna review and installation coming your way right now. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the AntennaX, the Shorty 50 cal replacement antenna. They did send me this product review and this sweet t-shirt, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in finding out more about this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made using that link helps support my channel at no additional cost to you. Now back to that 50 cal antenna right here. You can see it from the front with all the included adapters to make sure it can work with your vehicle. This can work with imports, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ford, GM, and it has a roof mount that can be used on both ends. So we can learn all that information on the back of here as well. Everything looks nice. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your 50 cal antenna right here, made out of billet aluminum. It's got a really nice black finish. You can see where we're going to thread the included adapters into to make sure that it fits your vehicle. So now guys, let's go ahead. Let's get this installed. So before we install the antenna, I have an AM radio station that we don't really get. So I wanted to show you guys when we install this antenna, kind of have a baseline station here of what the current antenna does and what the new antenna will do in regards to signal strength and signal loss. So you can hear it right here. Really fuzzy and mumbled. Can't really understand everybody, and there's a lot of feedback. And then now I'll show you guys, let's go ahead, let's benchmark a radio station that works as well. This one will be on FM. We have 90.9 right here. Works just fine. So now let's go ahead, let's get that antenna installed. So there's the current antenna that we're going to replace on this 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. The first step you need to do is go ahead and twist off the old antenna to get ready to twist on the new antenna. Now we're ready to attach the Shorty 50 cal right here. Be sure to select the correct threaded attachment from the back. Once you have it selected, go ahead, gently thread it into place till it's nice and snug. Nice and tight in there. And now you're ready to install it to the base. So go ahead, line it up and just gently thread it in place. Use the included gaskets if necessary. There we go. It fits nice and snug on here. I really like the way that this looks. It looks really cool, really sleek. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. The Shorty 50 cal is currently installed on this Chrysler Crossfire. Let's go back to the two stations we sampled earlier to see how they sound. First up is 1420 AM. That was our fringe radio station. We weren't getting very good signal. Let's give it a listen. It definitely sounds the same as our initial sample with the regular antenna. Now let's go over to FM and listen to a station we know that we get. It sounds great, guys. Can't tell any sort of difference in quality or signal. Now let's see if the scan function still works.
Students to think creatively and experience the joy of learning. Online at ohea.org.
At High Stakes Harley-Davidson in Florence, where you always get
the scan function still works too, so everything works great. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if you're interested in that product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Also, search my channel for some other great AntennaX unboxing and review videos of the products that you see here. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily. Don't want you guys to miss anything. Give us a follow on social media as well. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Follow us on Twitch and join our Discord server. Thank you guys again for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.